Hi everyone, if you deployed your Laravel application on the server and your application is throwing 500 error. So how to know that what's the error without enabling the debug to true and production to local, right? So I have deployed this application and basically I'm shooting this full series where you will learn that how you can deploy your application, how you can get the SSH access to execute the command, how you can create the database, how you can use the FTP account, and much more things. So you can watch the full course to learn about the deployment and then their more advanced stuff. Okay, so this one is set to production and app is set to false, right? But this application is throwing 500 error, right? Which is doesn't make sense to what's the error, and your application is in the production, people are using this one, and you don't want to allow your application to true and then to local, otherwise your viewer will see that your sensitive information like your table name and so on things, right? So how to restrict these things? So simply go here, just you don't need to change this one, go to the storage, then logs, your all of the logs. If your application is throwing any of the exception, so your logs will be catered here in the laravel.log file, this one. So by default this one is empty, but if I now I'm going to visit this out because I deleted those logs. I'm going to now I'm going to reload this page. So click on this refresh and still it's throwing the 500, but if I go here there is nothing, right? So if you open this file, so this will not show you the error, so go back and then reopen this out, so then this will show you the error. Okay, yes, now it's locked the error. What's the error is base table or view not found or doesn't exist, connection is MySQL, what's the table name, and so on things. So you can access those information without the changing the env to local and debug to true. So you are seeing that what's the exact error. So save this one by deleting this out, give it a refresh and do it one more time to make sure that you are getting this same error. Yes, correct. So in this way you can change your application, you can get the application logs here without changing the mail, without changing the env credentials. Hope it's added some value into your life. If it is, so subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. So in this way you can support me, my mission to shoot the premium courses free of cost. Thank you.